Everyone, welcome back to another video with Neomorph King here, and today we'll be playing Will You Press the Button. I saw Markiplier playing this game, so I'm like, oh, cool, that would be fun, so here we go. That wasn't really an interesting one, but okay. Okay, you would be wanted by everyone, but you would only be able to whisper. What? Is that supposed to make sense? You would be wanted by everyone, but what? No, I hate whispering, so no thanks. Okay, more people agree with me than they didn't, so that's cool. Okay, you make a YouTube video that gets 1,000,000 views. Wonder if this one gets that. Never. But half of the ratings are dislikes. You know what? I don't really give a shit, so I'm gonna press the button. Okay, it's loading. Wow, that took a long time. Right, 1,000,000 views, that's awesome. Okay, you get $5,000,000 every year on your birthday. That's pretty cool. But you can never have sex again. What the fuck? Are you serious? That I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to not press the button. What the fuck? I would rather have sex than get $5,000,000. Like, really? You have to be stupid to do that. Unless you're like someone that never wants it, which that's kind of sad, but okay. Most people are people who don't want it. That's sad. What has life turned into? You will be able to speak any language you want frequently. As a native speaker, you would. As a native speaker, never mind. But you can only ask questions in however language you choose. What? You can speak any language you want, but you can only ask questions in whatever language you choose. Yeah, sure, whatever. I'll press the button. I'll press it. Not such a bad thing. Okay. You get to hang out with any person or being that you want to, living or dead, fictional or real, for for one day, doing whatever you want. Oh, I know what I want. But you have to kill them when the day is over. Uh, well, if it's like a mythical creature like a dragon, or something stupid like that, and you're having a battle with them, that means you win the battle no matter what. I'm not gonna press it. People are gonna disagree with me. I bet you. No? Okay. That's surprising. Not really, but you get what I'm trying to say. Oh yeah, again, sorry about the delay on videos. I've been really busy. Really busy. My other recording system fucked up, and then OBS, I tried to use that, and that didn't work. It kind of every time I made a video and tried to open it, it kind of corrupted for some reason. Yeah, I don't know why, but it just did, so can't do anything about that. And the mic might be really shit on this one, because it's a recording system that only records what's on your screen and your voice. It doesn't record audio, so that sucks. You are 2 times better at everything, but you live for half as long. Nah, I'd like to live a long time. Like my great grandma's 94. That means I will live quite long. Unless I don't fuck myself up by doing something stupid and people disagree with me. Great. You have the world's best webcam. Well, I'm not using a webcam right now, so I don't know. Which makes 2D images 3D and has cool surround sound. Doesn't it? A webcam wouldn't do that. That's like a whole recording system thing. But you can only use it on while America is away. That fucking sucks. I don't care. I'm gonna press it. Okay. What? Well, you still have it, so you can use it whenever they're awake. Which means never mind. Who cares? You gain a superpower that allows you to time. It's that's cool. Erasing periods of time from existence, but inc- nobody, including you, will ever understand how the hell it works. What's the point of having it if you don't know how it works? It's like having a superpower and not knowing how it works. So there's actually no point of clicking the button. You're just human, normal. So you've got a superpower, but you don't know how to use it, so it's useless. That sucks. Hopefully the mic on this recording system actually works. Because last time I did it, it was all like like a fan or something. You become in 20 languages of your choice, but you lose the ability to speak any languages you currently speak, and also lose the no thanks. Why am I getting all the ones that I say no to? I've only clicked the button once, I think. 2 times maybe? I don't fucking know. You guys can tell me if you want to. You have the ability to bring back one person from the dead, but to do so you must kill someone related to you by blood. No thanks. That's right. It's okay. Really? What the fuck? That many people would kill someone related to them just to bring back someone from the dead. Fuck you. 4 million people. Wow, fuck. Hogwarts is real and you were chosen to attend, but Voldemort is Im what? Immortal and there is no way to destroy him, meaning he is a danger to the whole world, including your family. Well, he's already a danger to everything, and you can only rarely kill him, so I don't know. Is holding a stick and making it shoot out magical stuff really worth putting the whole world in danger? Nah, it's not. You've got your own magical stick. Fuck those people. Okay, you lose your virginity, Cool. What if you already don't have it? What if you don't have your virginity right now? What if you've already lost it? But to a guy. Oh fuck. No, no thanks. No, no. What if you've already lost your virginity to a woman before that? So yeah. Loading, loading, loading. Come on. Hurry up, you fucking stupid internet. I think that 58% is probably women, so fuck. Okay, you will get that's a lot, but your pet will die. You could always buy another pet. You could always buy another pet. Wait, your pet that you just bought, or a pet you've had for a long time? Because it could be like a rat or something, a bad pet or something, and it dies. You could just buy another one. I'll do it. Not to be careless or anything, because it might be a long time pet, and that would be extremely sad. But yeah, I kind of did the wrong thing there, but who cares? You know what? I'm gonna put Markiplier's videos. I'm gonna put the link to Markiplier's videos in this video, so you guys can watch his videos. They're actually pretty funny. So you will be the happiest man in the world, but everyone else on Earth dies. No thanks. That one. No. Ugh. I'm only happy if I have sex. Like you're happy, but everybody's dead. No. But did I just see that? Did I just see that? Never mind. You will live within any fictional universe, or you of your choice, but you are in no way and change in no. What? Why would I want to change? If one were to choose the Harry Potter universe, they would not be able. That's just living in it. You could choose like a really good universe that has a lot of girls in bikinis and shit like that. I'll press it. And also, if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram page, it's there. So I'll put a link down there, for you guys to check it out. You will become you will become best friends with any famous YouTuber, Markiplier, maybe. Yeah, that would be fun. But you cannot watch any other YouTube famous. No, I'll go with that. That's fine. I would love that. I basically only watch Markiplier anyway, so that's cool. Become friends with him and only watch his videos. That's cool. Can eat whatever. That should be you can eat whatever you want. Can eat whatever you want without getting fat. Cool. But you can only drink Coke. You can eat whatever you want, but you can. Yeah, water. You'll probably get dehydrated a lot. So I'm not gonna do that. See? Look at all those smart people there. People will not be able to lie to you, but they will forever be a clown sitting next to your bed. Let me just think about that. Is a scary looking clown or a cute looking clown? Or Clowns aren't really cute, so um,